Hi everyone, I'm Samuel J. Cummings, Director of Education at Gen AI Works. I'm thrilled you're here today, ready to level up your hackathon game. You've got big ambitions, and I've got the playbook to help you crush them. From creating AI-driven digital clones to building MVPs that wow judges, I've seen firsthand how AI can amplify human creativity and productivity. Today, I'll share how you can use these tools to dominate your hackathon. This session isn't just about working harder, it's about working brilliantly. By the end of this workshop, you'll have actionable strategies to think faster, refine smarter, and execute with precision. Whether you're here to learn, compete, or dominate, let's get started. Here's the deal. Hackathons are mental marathons. Success depends on mastering two critical work modes. Exploratory mode, this is where you brainstorm, analyze, and evaluate ideas. It's not about rushing forward, but about making smart decisions. Forward mode, this is the execution phase, where you refine your vision and bring it to life. The challenge? Knowing when to switch between these modes. That's where AI becomes your ultimate ally. AI tools like Custom GPT help you transition seamlessly, boosting creativity when you're exploring and sharpening precision when you're executing. Let's unlock that edge together. Imagine this. Your team is locked in a 45-minute debate over which features to prioritize for your project. Time's ticking, energy's draining, and progress nowhere. Now let's flip the script. What if AI tools like Custom GPT could cut that decision time down to just 5 minutes? That's the magic of AI. It's not just here to assist, it's here to accelerate. Scenario 1, structuring workflows. Say your team is building a productivity app. Instead of brainstorming workflows from scratch, ask Custom GPT. What's the best workflow for managing team tasks with deadlines and priorities? Within seconds, it generates an optimized process that considers user needs, dependencies, and key features. Now, instead of debating for hours, you've got a clear framework to refine and act on. Scenario 2, prioritizing features. Your team brainstorms 10 features but can't decide which are most critical. Use AI to simplify the process. Rank these features for an MVP based on impact and complexity. Custom GPT will evaluate and rank the features, giving you a prioritized list. You've just saved valuable time and can move forward with confidence. Scenario 3, generating wireframes. When your design team needs clarity, let AI step in. Prompt Custom GPT. Describe a wireframe for a homepage that highlights our app's unique selling point. It sketches out a high-level layout, detailing where buttons, headers, and content blocks should go. This gives your team a strong starting point to build on. To get the most out of these tools, assign specific AI-related roles within your team. AI operator. This person uses tools like Custom GPT to generate and refine ideas in real time, acting as the bridge between AI insights and team goals. AI integrator. This team member blends AI-generated suggestions with the team's expertise, ensuring the final output feels unique and aligned with your vision. When your team uses AI strategically, you're not just saving time, you're multiplying your impact. Let me tell you a secret. Hackathons aren't won by doing everything. They're won by solving friction better than anyone else. Friction is where problems arise, processes slow down, or users feel frustrated. Your job is to identify that friction and design a solution that eliminates it. Here's the playbook for tackling friction. Step 1, define the pain point. Start by asking, what's the real problem your users face? Go beyond surface-level issues to uncover the deeper challenges. For example, if you're creating a food delivery app, the surface pain point might be getting food faster. But dig deeper. Maybe the real issue is uncertainty about arrival times or difficulty finding options for specific diets. Step 2, pinpoint the friction. Next, identify the specific step where the process breaks down or slows. This is your opportunity. In the delivery app example, friction could arise during order placement, e.g., poor dietary filters, or during delivery tracking, e.g., vague or unreliable ETAs. Step 3, focus on primary functionality. Once you've pinpointed the friction, design your solution around 1 or 2 core features. Keep it laser-focused. For instance, if the friction is meal uncertainty, your core feature might be an AI-driven recommendation engine that learns user preferences and suggests tailored meal options. Step 4, add supplementary features. After nailing the primary functionality, consider simple add-ons that amplify its value without distracting from the core purpose. For example, for the meal recommendation system, you could add features like real-time calorie tracking or personalized drink pairings to enhance the user experience. Time to see an example in action. Let's say your team is working on a fitness AI app. Here's how you'd apply this process. Define the pain point. Users struggle with staying motivated and avoiding injuries during workouts. Pinpoint the friction. Motivation drops due to lack of variety, and injuries occur from poor form. Primary functionality: create AI-driven personalized workout plans and real-time form correction using computer vision. Supplementary features: add gamified challenges or AI-generated injury prevention tips to make the app more engaging and safe. Your MVP, minimum viable product, isn't just a prototype, it's your argument for why your solution deserves to win. It should scream, "Here's why we're different. Here's how to craft it." Hyper-target your proof of concept. Focus on solving one unique, high-impact problem. Keep it simple. A smaller, polished MVP that solves a real friction point will always outshine a feature-packed app that lacks focus. Pro tip: judges love novelty and impact. If your solution feels fresh and transformative, you're already ahead of the competition. Let's recap what we've covered today. Winning a hackathon isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things exceptionally well. Here's your game plan. Leverage AI for speed and precision. Use tools like Custom GPT to generate ideas, prioritize features, and structure workflows. Assign roles like AI operators and integrators to maximize efficiency and creativity. Focus on solving friction. Define your user's pain point, pinpoint the friction, and build a laser-focused solution that stands out. Craft a polished MVP. Your MVP should make a bold statement. It doesn't need to do it all. It just needs to show why your idea is unique and impactful. Hackathons are fast-paced and intense, but they're also opportunities to experiment, innovate, and showcase your skills. The best teams use momentum to their advantage. Here's how you can do the same. Stay agile. Don't get stuck on one idea. Iterate quickly and embrace feedback. Lean on your team, divide roles effectively, and play to each other's strengths. Trust the process. Remember, it's not just about winning, it's about learning and creating something you're proud of. AI is your co-pilot, not your driver. Use it to free up mental bandwidth so you can focus on creativity and execution. With the strategies we've covered today, you'll be able to brainstorm faster, refine smarter, and build an MVP that wows the judges. Now it's your turn. Take what you've learned here and apply it to your hackathon projects. Experiment with AI tools, practice solving friction, and start thinking about how to make your MVP shine. And most importantly, have fun and enjoy the process. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you create. Go out there and dominate your hackathon.